Dear friends, the Sunday of the fifth week of Ordinary Time invites us to reflect on the theme, The Lord Heals. Often we have felt that we just could not get out of bed in the morning hours. Perhaps there was something we dreaded that was scheduled to happen that day. It must have been a job evaluation, another day of a prolonged illness, or the necessity of caring for the sick or a cranky child. Like Peter's mother-in-law, who was bedridden and feverish, we too can be weighed down by physical, emotional, or spiritual burdens. During these times of infirmity, we can become depressed, making it almost impossible for us to love and care for others. It can even become difficult to believe that God or anyone else cares about us. When Jesus heard about Peter's mother-in-law, he took her by the hand and healed her. Immediately the fever left and she began to serve Jesus and his disciples. What power, authority, and love are manifest in Jesus' presence? There is nothing, no illness, no sin, no demon that can stand against him. Mark gives us this story to show us how Jesus exercised his authority through love. He loves us so much that he became a man and entered into our weak and wounded condition, triumphing over it by giving up his own life on the cross. He took on our infirmities and endured our pain. Now he invites us to receive his love and healing power. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147:3. Jesus wants to heal us in the deepest way possible by increasing our capacity to accept in faith all that he did for us on the cross, by drawing us into an ever closer union with him. Ever striving to be like his master, St. Paul sought to become all things to all people. We read in his letter to the 1 Corinthians 9:22. When we believe in Jesus, partake of his mysteries at the altar, and keep his commandments, the Spirit enters into us more deeply and gives us the power to reflect Christ's love more fully. Jesus wants to rule our activities through his Spirit, moving us to love the Lord and to serve his people with humility and compassion. Strengthened by the presence of the Spirit in us, let us walk in the authority and compassion of Jesus so that we may be healed. As we do, we too will receive the ability to become all things to all people, serving them in love. Amen.